Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. You'll have to forgive the way I look. I just got done mowing the filming studio. Let's make up some Fatwood sticks today. This is typical of the many pine knots that I find out in the woods. And if you can imagine, this part here was the trunk of the tree and a branch came off of that trunk. And this is all concentrated Fatwood. All the rest of the softer wood, the sapwood, is long since rotted away, but it has left this Fatwood here. Now I've heard people say that when a pine tree dies, that the sap that is in this branch just sort of makes its way back down to this crotch right here and creates this Fatwood, but that's not what's going on. The sap, the pine sap, is like the blood of the pine tree. It carries nutrients throughout the branches in the tree, and the pine resin is something that's only dispatched when there's an injury to the tree. But indeed, this must have been recognized as an injury, this dying branch, and then the roots and the tree sent up pine resin to seal it off. And it dried out and made some good Fatwood, and I want to show you how to make some sticks. Let's cut it off from here to about right here. And I have a very dull, silky gum boy. That happens if you use them enough. This is not rocket science. We're just going to baton them down into sticks and then try one of them out. Make them about maybe 3/8 down to about 1/4. All right, I have about 25 7-inch sticks. They're going to be great about shavings and scrapings. And I got these half-size sticks that split off when I wasn't expecting it. These would be great to just ignite with the lighter because they will fire right up and not go out. So I really like these half sticks a lot. Whoa, don't you do it. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Bayite key ring ferro rod.